Imagine transforming your home, patio and garden into a stunning cozy retreat for under $10. Sounds impossible, right? Well, not anymore. Today I'm sharing the all-new magic Dollar Tree hacks that'll change the way you decorate, clean and DIY, using nothing but affordable finds and a little creativity. Welcome to Timeless Gardening, the channel where we make beautiful living simple, affordable, and inspiring. Whether you're refreshing your home, organizing your space, or giving your outdoor area a fresh glow, these 15+ ideas are about to blow your mind. Before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and tap the bell, because you don't want to miss any of the upcoming Dollar Tree transformations, seasonal DIYs, and creative home hacks we've got coming your way. Now let's jump into the magic. Hack number 1, the designer vase transformation. You don't need to spend a fortune on high-end vases to elevate your space. Head to Dollar Tree, grab a few plain glass vases, and turn them into designer-style pieces using just paint and baking soda. Mix your favorite paint color with a spoonful of baking soda until it thickens slightly, then brush it evenly over the vase. As it dries, it'll create a stunning ceramic-like texture that looks like something straight from an upscale home store. Once the paint is dry, add faux stems, pampas grass, or fresh-cut flowers from your garden. The matte, earthy finish instantly brings warmth and sophistication to any room. Whether you're styling your entryway table, bookshelf, or outdoor patio, this simple hack gives your space that curated, minimalist look for just a little over $1. Hack number 2, solar light garden lanterns. Turn your outdoor space into a magical evening retreat with this simple Dollar Tree solar light hack. All you need are a few glass jars or candle holders and some of those small solar garden lights you'll find in the outdoor aisle. Remove the stakes and attach the solar tops to the jars. Just pop them right on, or secure them with a little hot glue. When the sun goes down, these jars will softly glow, creating a beautiful cozy ambiance without a single wire or battery in sight. You can hang these lanterns from tree branches, line your garden path, or place them on your patio table for the perfect nighttime sparkle. For an extra touch of charm, fill the jars with pebbles, seashells, or colored glass stones before adding the light tops. It's one of those projects that looks high-end but costs next to nothing, and makes your outdoor evenings feel magical. Hack number 3, magic mirror wall decor. If you've ever wanted to make a small room feel bigger or a dull wall look more stylish, this Dollar Tree mirror hack is the perfect solution. Pick up several of their square or round framed mirrors and arrange them in a pattern, either a grid, diamond, or creative mosaic, on your wall. Use strong adhesive strips or double-sided mounting tape to secure them without damaging the paint. The mirrors reflect light beautifully, instantly opening up your space and giving it that airy designer look that feels luxurious yet effortless. To take it a step further, spray paint the mirror frames gold, black, or bronze before hanging them. The color coordination adds a cohesive touch that can match your existing decor style. Whether you place them in your hallway, above a console table, or behind your sofa, this hack adds a modern high-end vibe that no one will believe came from Dollar Tree. Hack number 4, rustic rope planters. You can turn ordinary Dollar Tree plastic planters into stylish farmhouse pieces with just one simple material, nautical rope. Grab a hot glue gun and start wrapping the rope around the planter from bottom to top, making sure each layer is snug and even. The transformation is instant. What was once plain and cheap looking becomes warm, textured, and high-end. Perfect for both indoor and outdoor spaces. You can even mix different rope tones, like beige and white, for a coastal-inspired finish. Once your planter is wrapped, fill it with your favorite greenery, succulents, snake plants, herbs, or even faux florals from the Dollar Tree craft aisle. These rope planters look incredible on patios, entryways, or kitchen counters, and they pair beautifully with neutral or boho-style decor. It's one of those hacks that makes your home look effortlessly chic, while costing less than a cup of coffee. Hack number 5, Dollar Tree drawer organizer. Messy drawers can make even the most organized home feel chaotic, but this Dollar Tree hack brings instant order to any space. Head to the storage aisle and pick up a few of their small plastic bins, makeup organizers, or utensil trays. Mix and match different sizes to perfectly fit your drawers, whether it's in your kitchen, bathroom, office, or vanity. Simply group similar items together, and you'll be amazed at how much easier it becomes to find what you need. For an extra polished touch, line your drawers with decorative contact paper before adding the bins. It not only looks cleaner but also protects your furniture from spills and scratches. You can even label the bins using Dollar Tree sticker tags or chalkboard labels to keep everything in place. This small change instantly upgrades your space, making it feel more functional, tidy and satisfying every time you open a drawer. Hack number 6. DIY cleaning pods. Keeping your home fresh and spotless doesn't have to mean buying expensive cleaners. With this Dollar Tree hack, you can make your own powerful and eco-friendly cleaning pods using just a few simple ingredients. Grab a box of baking soda, a bottle of vinegar, and your favorite essential oils, all available at Dollar Tree. Mix the baking soda with a little vinegar until it forms a thick paste, then add a few drops of essential oil for fragrance. Spoon the mixture into silicone molds or an ice cube tray and let it dry overnight. Once they're hardened, pop the pods into a jar with a tight lid and store them in your cleaning cabinet. When you're ready to freshen up your sink, toilet or garbage disposal, just drop one in and watch it fizz away grime and odors. It's a quick, natural way to keep your home sparkling clean, and it smells amazing too. These pods save you money, reduce waste, and make cleaning feel a little bit more magical. Hack number 7. Floating candle centerpiece. Create a show-stopping table centerpiece using just a few simple Dollar Tree items. Grab a clear glass bowl, vase, or cylinder. Fill it halfway with water, and drop in some floating candles. To make it even more beautiful, add flower petals, faux greenery, or decorative glass stones to the bottom. When you light the candles, they'll dance softly on the water's surface, creating a warm, romantic glow that feels straight out of a fancy event. It's elegant, effortless, and perfect for dinner parties, holidays, or even quiet evenings at home. What's great about this hack is how versatile it is. You can switch out the colors and fillers to match any season or theme. Add cranberries and pine for Christmas, pastel petals for spring, or shells and sand for summer. You can even place several of these along an outdoor patio table for a cozy, inviting atmosphere. No one would ever guess this dreamy setup came entirely from Dollar Tree supplies. Hack number 8. Magic mop hack. You can turn an ordinary Dollar Tree mop head into one of the most useful cleaning tools in your home. Detach the mop head from the handle and slip it over an old broomstick or extendable pole. Instantly you've got a lightweight, reusable duster that reaches high ceilings, ceiling fans, and those tricky corners that always collect cobwebs. The microfiber material traps dust beautifully without needing any chemical sprays, and when it gets dirty, just toss it in the wash and reuse it again and again. This simple hack saves you money while keeping your home spotless. You can also use it for cleaning baseboards or wiping down walls without bending or stretching. If you add a few drops of essential oil or homemade cleaner to the mop fibers, your space will smell amazing as you clean. It's practical, effective, and a perfect reminder that sometimes the best cleaning tools are the ones you create yourself. Hack number 9. The fairy garden transformation. Bring a little magic to your garden or patio with this whimsical Dollar Tree fairy garden idea. Head to the craft and floral aisles and grab mini figurines, faux moss, small pebbles, and a shallow planter or decorative bowl. Start by layering the bottom with pebbles for drainage, then add moss and miniature decorations to create a charming little world. You can even include tiny houses, fairy doors, or bridges to make it feel like a hidden, enchanted corner of your garden. The best part is that you can customize it for any season or theme. Use pastel tones and flowers in spring, seashells and sand in summer, or small pumpkins and leaves in fall. Place your fairy garden on a patio table, windowsill, or shaded spot in your yard where guests can admire the details. It's a fun project for both adults and kids, and adds a sense of wonder and personality to your outdoor space, all for just a few dollars. Hack number 10. Chalk paint Dollar Tree frames. Give your walls a personalized high-end look with this easy Dollar Tree frame makeover. Pick up a few of their basic plastic or wooden photo frames and transform them using chalk paint. Choose soft, muted tones like ivory, sage, or charcoal for a modern farmhouse vibe. Once the paint dries, Lightly sand the edges for a distressed finish that adds charm and texture. You can leave the original glass in for photos, or remove it to display pressed flowers, postcards, or decorative prints. When you group these upgraded frames together on a wall, they create a beautiful gallery effect that looks like something from a home decor magazine. Try mixing different frame sizes for dimension and visual interest. For a final touch, add a few wall decals, or Dollar Tree LED candles nearby to complete the cozy curated feel. It's an easy and affordable way to add character to your home, while expressing your personal style. Hack number 11. Scented Pine Cone Decor. Turn ordinary pine cones into beautiful natural air fresheners that double as cozy home decor. Start by collecting a few pine cones from your yard or pick up a bag from Dollar Tree. Place them in a bowl or tray, then lightly spray them with Dollar Tree cinnamon fragrance oil, or a few drops of your favorite essential oil mixed with water. Let them dry completely so the scent soaks in. Once they're ready, display them in a basket, glass jar, or wooden bowl, to add a rustic touch to any room. These scented pine cones not only make your space smell amazing, but also bring a warm seasonal look to your decor. They're perfect for fall and winter, but can be used year-round by switching up the scents. Try lavender for spring or citrus for summer. Arrange them with faux leaves, small candles, or fairy lights for a more decorative centerpiece. This hack combines beauty, function, and fragrance, all from a few simple Dollar Tree finds. Hack number 12. Patio Table Glow Up. Give your old or weathered patio table a brand new look using simple, affordable supplies from Dollar Tree. Start with a plain plastic tablecloth or adhesive contact paper in your favorite pattern. Wood grain, marble, or floral designs all work beautifully. Smooth it carefully over the surface of your table, trimming any excess for a clean finish. If you want to make it last longer outdoors, seal it with a light layer of clear waterproof spray paint to protect against moisture and sun exposure. For a little extra flair, use Dollar Tree spray paint to refresh the table legs or frame in a coordinating color. You can even add LED string lights around the table's edge, or place a small Dollar Tree lantern in the center for an inviting evening glow. The transformation is instant. It turns a dull outdoor table into a stylish, welcoming space for gatherings, morning coffee, or family dinners. And the best part, you can achieve it all for less than $10. Hack number 13. Wall Basket Shelves. Turn Dollar Tree wire baskets into stylish and functional wall shelves with just a few easy steps. Choose a few metal baskets in the size and shape you like. Then spray paint them black, gold, or white to match your home style. Once they're dry, mount them sideways on your wall, using nails, screws, or strong adhesive hooks. The open side of the basket becomes the shelf, perfect for holding small plants, rolled hand towels, candles, or even books. It's an easy way to add both storage and character to any room. These wall basket shelves look fantastic in bathrooms, entryways, or cozy reading corners. You can even line the bottom of each basket with Dollar Tree adhesive liners or fabric for a softer finish touch. The mix of metal texture and practical design gives your wall a modern farmhouse feel without the hefty price tag. It's one of those hacks that's not only affordable but also transforms unused wall space into something beautiful and useful. Hack number 14. Dollar Tree Candle Upgrade. You can take those plain Dollar Tree candles and make them look like luxury decor pieces in just a few minutes. Start by grabbing some jute rope, faux leather ribbon, or burlap from the craft aisle. Wrap it neatly around the base of the candle or the entire jar, securing it with a small dab of hot glue. To give it an extra designer touch, tie a small charm, wooden bead, or tag around it. You'll be surprised how elegant and expensive these candles look once you're done. Perfect for gifting or decorating your shelves and tables. For an even more customized vibe, try placing your upgraded candles on a Dollar Tree mirrored tray or inside a glass clutch. You can mix and match sizes to create a cozy centerpiece or add them to your bathroom for a spa-like feel. These candles give off that boutique-style charm without the boutique price, proving once again that style doesn't have to be expensive. It just takes a touch of creativity. Hack number 15. DIY Room Freshener Jar. Keep every corner of your home smelling clean and fresh with this easy Dollar Tree air freshener hack. Grab a mason jar with a metal lid, fill it halfway with baking soda, and add 10-15 drops of your favorite essential oil. Mix it gently, then poke a few small holes in the lid using a nail or screwdriver, so the scent can slowly diffuse. Place the jar anywhere that needs deodorizing: bathrooms, closets, laundry rooms, or even your car. The baking soda absorbs unwanted odors, while the essential oils release a subtle, refreshing fragrance that lasts for weeks. You can personalize the look of your freshener by decorating the jar with ribbon, twine, or Dollar Tree labels. Try using lavender oil for relaxation, citrus for a clean, bright scent, or eucalyptus for a spa-like atmosphere. It's a natural, chemical-free alternative to store-bought air fresheners, and costs just a fraction of the price. This simple hack proves that fresh, inviting spaces don't have to come from fancy products, just a few Dollar Tree ingredients, and a touch of creativity. Bonus hack: outdoor herb wall. Create a stylish and practical herb garden, using just a few Dollar Tree supplies. Grab small metal buckets, hooks, and a wooden board or directly mount them to a fence or wall. Fill each bucket with soil, and plant your favorite herbs, like basil, mint, parsley, or rosemary. Arrange the buckets in a neat row or stagger them for a more dynamic look. Not only does this add greenery and texture to your outdoor space, but it also provides fresh herbs right at your fingertips for cooking. This herb wall is perfect for small patios, balconies, or even kitchen windowsills. You can paint or stain the wooden board to match your decor, or leave it natural for a rustic vibe. Add small labels using chalkboard stickers or wooden tags to identify each herb, making it both functional and decorative. It's a budget-friendly way to elevate your outdoor space, keep your herbs organized, and enjoy the beauty of fresh greenery, all thanks to Dollar Tree finds. And there you have it, 15 plus all-new magic Dollar Tree hacks to transform your home, patio, garden, and everyday spaces without breaking the bank. From chic decor and DIY upgrades to clever cleaning and organization ideas, these budget-friendly projects prove that style, function, and creativity can all come from just a few dollars. Which hack are you most excited to try first? Drop a comment below and share your favorite idea. If you loved these tips, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Timeless Gardening, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new DIY home hack or seasonal inspiration. Keep creating, keep saving, and keep making your home magical, one Dollar Tree find at a time.